So we're here in Palermo, Sicily, and we're going to do a bit of sightseeing today, have a ramble around the city. Dennis, what do you know about Sicily?
Oh, those things, cannolis. Holy cannoli.
Patrick, what do you know about Sicily?
Sorbet.
Sorbet.
Lemon sorbet.
Neither of you said the mafia.
Don't want to get to the bad side.
Oh, Dennis has spotted an open church. Dennis, do you want a picture in the church? You like a church, don't you?
I do, especially Italian ones. They're always a lot nicer. Decorated than Irish ones.
This is nice. Do you want to go into the cathedral?
For €15.
It's €15?
Yes.
That's ridiculous. Look how fancy this house is. It's €15 into Palermo Cathedral, which is an absolute money racket considering all the money that the Catholic Church have. It's very peaceful. It's a nice city for a ramble, isn't it? We've accidentally joined a Free Sicily March. We came up here to visit the catacombs, but they're closed, so we're in a cemetery instead. We've discovered that pedestrian crossings are optional as well in Palermo. Nice bit of objet d'art there, Dennis. Would you like to buy some antiques, Dennis?
No, I'm married to one.
Back to the ship now. It's a lovely day in Palermo. It's a nice city to walk around. I enjoyed it.